everyone, as promised, so today I'm going to teach you how to do facial massage. If you don't have this machine, actually I would strongly recommend that you get this machine. This one is our latest Mary Kay Skin Invigorate Cleansing Brush, but it has two brush heads, so you can choose to have this facial massage head, and it's very good. Actually, you didn't see the vibration, but actually from here you can see that the vibration is like this. Naked eye cannot see so much, but we can see that actually it helps to vibrate this way. So when you want to do the facial massage, right, this is very useful. So for me, right, if I want to use this for my facial massage, I will use my Youthfinity serum. This one is very good for contouring, so I'll do like this 5 times for each stroke. Okay, so for this session, I'll just show you briefly how to use this one for using the brush. Okay, but if you don't have the brush, right, okay, I'm only doing one side. But you can see already it helps to firm up so much. But if you don't want to get this brush from me, never mind, it's okay. But actually this one, they have a special promotion. You get this brush and the cleanser, this one at the, oh, I didn't bring, okay, and the cleanser at 143. Yeah, so we have a special promotion for this brush set. But the brush head is extra $15, so if you want this, let me know. Okay, so I'm going to show you today, right, how to use your hand as your massage tool as well. So you can use this one, the Youthinfinity serum, to help to hydrate and contour at the same time. Preferably, right, for me, right, when I want to massage, right, it has to be very creamy and easy to lubricate and easy to massage. Yeah, but if you want to use this one, lifting serum, okay, this one, what's the difference between lifting serum and this one? Okay, basically this one gives you that lifting serum and firm up skin. It gives you a bit of de-facelift. But if you want very contoured lifting, right, it's this one. This is my favorite Youthinity serum. That's why whenever it's in stock, right, always disappear within 1 week, always finish out of stock within 1 week. So you need to order mummy if you want this. This one added hydration, and it also helps to stimulate collagen. Plus, it helps to do contouring, super contouring. Like you go for a collagen thread kind of treatment. You know, I have a client, a few clients in my team, right, always buy this one every month. We cannot live without this one. I also cannot live without. So I'm going to show you how to do this. This one is not lubricant enough. It's not well oil enough for massage. So if you want to add this, right, if you want to do this, you can. You have to add your oil-free hydrating gel. So if you want to do your massage treatment, you can do it only twice, up to you, so that your whole face will not sag. So I will use this one first, then I'll use this one together. I layer together, then I do my massage. So I'm going to teach you how to do massage. So today I already used this one on my face. Okay, just now I was. Okay, so I do my circular motion. Okay, but don't let it absorb it, just apply a thin layer. Then you do your massage. So you start from here onwards. 1, 2, you can do 5 times. Okay, 5 times. I'm going to show you the strokes so that you know, like this, okay? Then for forehead lines, you can start from here onwards. So you can do about 5 times. Look at my, your face is very lifted, I promise you. This, I have a lot of lines here. So if I'm not using my machine, right, I'll use this one. But mostly I use my machine because I'm very lazy person. But I'm just showing you the right steps, yeah? Okay, so about 5 times already. So if you tend to frown here, upwards. Okay, if you have laughing lines here, then you want V-face shape upwards, then you need to put more. I'm using my Youthinity serum for this massage. Okay, good. So next, right, I'm going to teach you how to do the face one. So just pull like that. Pull up, pull up, pull up. You can do 5 times. Same for here. So that's why you see I like to use the machine, it's easier. Okay. Then after that, right, now for face, we're going to do, we've already done for the face. So next, right, we're going to teach you how to do for the eyes. Eyes area, I'm going to use this Timewise Repair Eye Cream because it's quite creamy. so it's easy to massage. When you use eye cream, right, try to use a little bit, goes a long way. Okay, don't use so much. Actually, they have this aluminium crystal, this tip here, aluminium tip here, is to help the products to, when you rub it in, right, it helps the products to penetrate it in easier. But this time around, today we're going to do massage on the hand, so we're going to use a little bit, goes a long way. So I like to massage like this, and then I'm going to use my middle finger and rub upwards. Lift up 5 times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then if you have a lot of wrinkles here, we call it the MRT line, so you can do like this. Then circular 5 times. Just like that, simple and easy, and you can even use the machine if you want to, right, to do for your laughing lines, just like that, upwards. And then for your eyes, you can just pull up. And then here 5 times as well. So this is how you use it for the machine and for your hand. Followed by your moisturizer. I'm going to put my moisturizer. I'm using this the Timewise Repair Day Cream as my moisturizer. So if you like this video, please give me a like to this video, and then please share and subscribe this video, and I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye!